So as you know, these days, if you get a happy chicken, it can be very expensive, from $15 to $20, and you don't want to waste anything on it. So in a chicken, you'll get the gizzard, and truth is that often you never know what you're gonna get because they get thrown in with the chicken. So actually, usually you should get liver and hearts, but actually, and stomach, but in this chicken had no stomach, but had 2 hearts. Go figure. But so the heart is tough. It's very tasty, but tough. So we're gonna cut it into very little pieces. The liver is just beautiful and soft, and you'll break in the pan as you cook, so we can leave it just as it is. Just drain all the blood and water. So, you know, I know that I'm a basic person, stainless steel pots and cast iron pots, but I do have my little Teflon pot sometimes, just because it makes life a little easier. They say they're terrible for you, a little carcinogenic. I don't use it that much. But in my Teflon pot, I'm gonna add the fat from the chicken broth and some herbs. I'm gonna add some sage and some rosemary. Unfortunately, we're just at the end of winter, and these guys are just frozen. I don't have any fresh herbs right now. All right, cut. And I'll add a piece. We got the herbs sauteing, giving the chicken fat a nice flavor. We're gonna add our gizzards now. Salt and pepper to taste. We're gonna let them cook on slow heat, and I'm gonna cover them up, and then when they're golden, you're gonna add a little bit of brandy and make sure that it's fuma, that the brandy evaporates, it will caramelize it, and it'll be delicious. Hello everybody, this is Paola Ferrario with Choose a Knife. I hope you like my cooking video and that you will subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, and we're gonna have a lot of fun together. Take care.